My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because I am in love with how this look came out. Oh, I got this in the mail. This is the Colourpop Strawberry Shake Pressed Powder Palette, and I was just like, I had to work and I was just like, I cannot wait until I'm off and I can film this tutorial because I just wanted to use this palette so badly. So if you would like to see swatches and how I got this look right here that I am obsessed with, and you guys are gonna love it, like it is so beautiful, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you can get more wonderful tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get shaken into the strawberry shake tutorial. That was so corny, but let's get into it. So we have my milkshake, whipped, woke, paper straw, and take a sip. Okay, so now we have Delish, Berry Fine, Daiquiri, and Shake It Up. You guys probably already know which color I'm gonna use. Ugh, I don't know though. That Delish is so pretty. But oh my gosh, I also got this Jelly Pop or Jelly Much Shadow in Strawberry Jam. Look how freaking gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. Like, let me swatch it real quick. I almost completely forgot about this. And this is so gorgeous. Ooh, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Look how freaking gorgeous that is. Alright, so my eyes are already primed. I am going to take this Morphe E27 and go in with paper straw. This light orange. And swatching these shades, they were so pigmented, like no joke. For $12, like it blows my mind. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Morphe M562 and go in with my milkshake. Down on them niggas out there front line. I hit the streets and see them boys out there locking up some older head. It's a goddamn homie, hold your head. Hold your head. I get up, I see the cloud. I'm gonna take an E25 and take a sip. I'm going to take this Luxie 245 small shader brush and go in with Very Fine. Oh my god, that is so pretty. And it goes on so beautifully. Sephora Smoky Liner Brush and Daiquiri, and put that in the outer corner. I'm going to take this Jelly Shadow in Strawberry Jam with this Luxie 246 brush, and I'm going to put that like in the inner third. Yeah, they're actually really similar. You don't even need to use that. I just wanted to use it on camera so you guys can see what it looks like. And I just think it's so gorgeous. To highlight the brow bone, I'm going to take this DIORSKIN Nude Luminizer in Pink Glow. A little bit of this Colourpop highlighter in FLEXITARIAN. I love this highlighter. Oh yeah. Sorry Dior, Colourpop kicked your ass. Alright, I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna use this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Marigold. Go in with my Milkshake, I guess. And then Daiquiri. And blend it out. I'm going to use this Milk Makeup eyeliner in C.E.O, which is like a dark brown, and just do a band of eyeliner. Okay, I don't know if it was recording, but I just put on some Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara, and now I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup. Okay, so for lashes, I use Velour lashes in Fluff and Wispy, and for the lip, in addition to the Strawberry Shake palette, I also got these two ultra glossy lips, and this one is in Easy Bake, and this one is in Berry Good. So I think I'm going to use Berry Good. It's like a pretty pinkish coral. Okay, so here is the finished look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look. I am obsessed with it. Oh my god, I think it's just so gorgeous. Oh, I can't stop looking in the viewfinder. I'm obsessed with it. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.